Guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I will be unboxing something different, and this is the new iPhone 10. Okay, this is the Tuesday, September 12th. It was like that 9:41. So let's check it out. Okay, 256 gigabytes, and on that. So let's unbox it. Okay. Okay. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, this is the new designed by an Apple in California. I'm gonna keep this aside for a second. Okay, so okay, it has the that and the Apple stickers and bonjour, bonjour, something like that. So this, let's keep it aside, and then we have the glorious wait. Okay, wait. Oh, there is the I think this is a little bit dirty because that is of shipping, no shipping. Shipping only do that only. So first, let's do that. Okay. Oh, this one is so glorious. Oh, so satisfying to open this phone. Okay, so oh, there is the Apple Glow. Yes. Okay, so this opening, and there it is. There, and you guys can see there it is the open of this game, and let's open that. Okay, this is the okay, no SIM card installed, so let's check it out. Camera photo, so let's see how it is the portrait mode. I know it says portrait mode. As you guys can see, this is the phone from here, here, here. Oh, see the back, so cool, so cool. So it has from facing camera, this is the portrait mode. Move this like that, then move this like that. Okay, guys. And if I want to do a photo, first I will take a photo of me, the portrait mode. Okay, let's take and that's how the portraits come. Okay, you can't see the portrait in that, but it's super clear, and it has 4K and 60 FPS in this. So if you want to open the slide, you can do that, and then it can be so multitasking. You have to do that, and then how you do that. So thank you for watching the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Peace.